Hi, I'm Jeoffrey Depinoy. I'm the current product owner for the PIM for Norauto. I'm working for a company who is doing car repair and car servicing. We have about 350 auto centers in France and about 1,200 global in Europe. Pain points we were having is about having all the information about products in the same place. We were going from a big ERP where we were having all our attributes in the same place, but we were not having the medias in that same place. So with Akeneo, we are achieving that goal. Well, when we bought a solution, we are searching for a user-friendly interface, something that we won't spend too much time training people on, and it was really cost-effective with Akeneo. All we wanted was there, so that was the right choice. If you include your business teams within the IT for modelizing all your families, all your attributes, then it's really easier. What we need is a tool for mass importation and exportation of data. Today, the importation wasn't what we were expecting, so we developed a really user-friendly importation data tool. And what we developed or more plugged in is about rules and rules association for products and ref entities. Today, our PIM is mostly a catalog. That's our first main goal, is to be a catalog, so all of business units, all of product managers from all over Europe don't have to ask their suppliers about information. They have the information in the PIM because upfront other people did enrich products for them. So our main achievement here is that a few people enrich and a lot of people benefit. So what's next? At first we use it as a catalog. Next, we want to, for every user from every country that Norauto is in, to benefit from the PIM, which means they can input their own vision of the data, their own vision of a commercial description, for example. And we have to connect the PIM to every front that we have, either our web front, that or store, and we do it not only for Norauto, but for other brands. We have also Midas and ATU in Germany. Akeneo is a good tool. It's nice, and people like it in Norauto because it's, as I said, it's really user-friendly. Please keep going on and make evolution within Akeneo. We will like it better even.